your Storm Team 18 forecast on News 18.
All right, starting off with tonight, we have that freeze warning in place for our southern counties. That'll be in place from about midnight to 9 o'clock later on tonight. So expecting this to be, again, another widespread freeze. So your reminder to keep in your plants and any perishable plants that you have outside, bring them inside again for tonight. It's going to be quite a cold one. Looking at tomorrow, though, looking at actually overnight temperatures actually starting out with that. Temperatures falling down to 30 degrees overnight as clouds increase for our area. Temperatures 20s to around the freezing mark, so cold start to your Wednesday. For Wednesday now, looking at those rain chances around throughout the course of your day. Temperatures reaching the mid to upper 40s during the afternoon hours as those temperatures will be slow to climb due to all the rainfall that we'll have during the day on Wednesday. But high temperatures Wednesday afternoon though, 43 to around 50 degrees as we head throughout your Wednesday afternoon. So looking at that occurring later on in the day. But for Thursday, drier day, but more clouds around, maybe a stray shower or storm during the afternoon hours with temperatures in the 50s as we head towards about then. And looking at the afternoon temperatures, 50 to around 60 degrees by Thursday afternoon. So a bit warmer outside, but looking pretty nice, at least for Thursday afternoon, as we expect more of that sunshine to filter in at times, especially with some peaks of some sunshine. But looking at Wednesday afternoon, though, this is actually Wednesday late morning. You can see the clouds coming in, and then by Wednesday afternoon, our first round of rain comes in here. It moves off to the east, and then some more showers possible Wednesday evening, maybe around some showers Wednesday evening into Wednesday night, and then a break once again before we do watch a couple showers behind that low pressure system on Thursday afternoon, which could bring in some more shower activity to our area by then, but not expecting widespread coverage as of Wednesday, but still expecting showers to be around from time to time. And then by Friday morning, with all that rainfall that will be coming down, expecting looks to be about a quarter inch to potentially 6/10 of an inch of rainfalls. So again, this could vary, especially the areas where we could see the heaviest rainfall. That could be an area where we could see much more of that rainfall being possible. But after Thursday night, though, looking nice and dry for Friday, although keeping a chance of showers to our south, mainly southern Indiana. But for the weekend, looking nice and dry, lots of sunshine as we head through Saturday into Sunday, looking pretty good before Monday. Watch your next round of showers and storms coming in from the north, and that will bring in the next chance of some rain for our area. Looking at no severe weather for now, but just a chance for some showers and a few storms in your forecast for Monday. So severe weather largely out of the question. In fact, looking at the trends, it does appear that the next couple of weeks looks to be less favorable for severe weather, which is good news, especially after all the severe potential we had to deal with. This will be a nice break, especially with all these dry days coming up. After a couple of rainy days, 52 on Friday, 58 on Saturday, looking pretty good for Sunday. Look at that, 66 degrees, and then 71 for Monday. Not too bad with a late day storm chance possible, and it'll stay in the 60s on Tuesday before dipping to the 50s briefly on Wednesday, but coming back into the 60s for Thursday and Friday with some more rain chances likely.
All right, thanks, Eric. Well, President Donald Trump's sweeping tariff plans sent shockwaves through the global markets. The next big impact could be